welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and in today's video we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes from my paycheck that I just budgeted in the last video. So we are pulling cash out so that I can refrain from overspending. I'm a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, and I like to use cash because it just is better for me that way. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so this is my cash envelope binder that I am using, and let me just preference this right now. I do not have a whole lot of envelopes that I am going to be stuffing. I'm starting over in my journey, and I have prioritized the envelopes that I will be stuffing at this moment as I'm kind of getting things in order, okay? You should catch out my last video where I kind of talk about the envelopes that I will be stuffing in the beginning of my journey. So last paycheck, I took money out, but I didn't actually stuff my envelopes. It defeated the purpose. So we are going to be stuffing envelopes for my last paycheck, and then for the paycheck, for this paycheck on 4/28, and then also for this one. So let me go ahead and get the money out and get started. So we are going to be stuffing $257 from this paycheck. My button is always coming off, you guys. That's the only thing about this calculator. The buttons are always coming off. Now, I had originally withdrew $310, but I did use some of the money for groceries. So I am going to subtract. Let's subtract. First of all, I forgot how much. Hold on. All right, so we have $257 left.
So let's do 310 minus 257. So we have
hold on, I'm sorry. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, 310 minus 257. So I use a total of $53. So instead of 33, I used $53, and we're taking that $53 out of the food. Okay, so that's going to be 150 minus 53. So we're going to be stuffing $97 for groceries, for food, okay? So we're gonna stuff this paycheck first. And I'm sorry if I'm doing it a weird way, but you know, excuse my ring light there. Alright, you guys, so for my daily envelopes, I am using the Zippy wallet from So Crafty Sinai. I do have a full review of this on another video of mine, but then these are the envelopes that we are going to be stuffing for this particular paycheck. So we're going to be stuffing $97 for groceries, so that is going to be a 50, 2 20s, a 5, and 2 1s. I have $3 left in this envelope, so let's go ahead and count. This should be $100 here. 50, 70, 90, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100 in groceries. Hey y'all, I got my nails did. Can you see? A friend of mine got my nails done, so I'm super excited about that because y'all, I was feeling naked round about the fingers, okay? Toiletries is gonna be $35, and that is going to be a 20, a 10, and a $5 bill for toiletries. And then household is going to be $65. That is going to be 3 20s and a 5, I believe. Yep. So that's $20, $40, $65. And this is to purchase things like toilet paper, household goods, cleaning products, and things like that. So these are all of my envelopes. These will be going into my daily wallet that I carry around with me, okay? Next, we have in here, so we got food, toiletries, household, hair. I've already gotten my hair done. Target, I've already used the money for Target. Now savings is going to be, or I actually probably didn't. I don't think I did for Target. So $15 for Target, that's going to be a 10 and a 5. And actually, I am going to add this in my toiletries, which I don't remember why I just put Target $15. I would have to go back to my video to figure that out, but I'm gonna just put it in my toiletries wallet. Okay, and then last but not least, we have savings, which is $25 in savings, and this is actually going to go in this binder here. I am saving $25 per paycheck right now until I can kind of get things together. I'm like, I could at least save $25. So I'm just saving something, okay? I don't want to be guilty of not saving anything. I think it's important that you do something. Now I have $20 left and I'm not sure why. So let's see what I am missing. Let's see, what am I missing? So, toiletries, make sure I have 35, 20, 35, and then 15 from Target. I don't know why I have an extra $20. Groceries, 50, 95. And I know that I spent, or did I only spend $33? And I thought that I spent, okay, you guys, I need to figure out what's up with this 20. So I'm gonna just put that back there. Let's go ahead and now we are going to stuff the envelopes that we have for this paycheck. And we are gonna be stuffing a total of $285. And that is going to be this sheet here. Let's go ahead and make sure that we have all of our money here. All right, $285 we have. So we're gonna go ahead and put our money in so that we can start stuffing
this envelope. Or these envelopes, rather.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this over to the side. We're gonna start back with our groceries, household, and toiletries wallet. So for groceries, we are going to be stuffing $100. So that is going to be 5 20s. And we're gonna add that to our grocery envelope. You guys, I have no food, okay? Well, I kind of do have food. I don't eat like a whole lot. And really, I'm going to be only just buying food for me. So that's a blessing. So let's see what we have here. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So we have $200 in full for groceries. And I'm gonna try not to go to the grocery store every single day. I'm gonna go to the grocery store for things that I need. Okay, so that is groceries. So next is household. That's $65. That's gonna be 3 20s and a 5. So we're gonna be adding that to this wallet. Let's see what we have in here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 25, 30. So $130. I'm definitely gonna need every bit of this $130 because I need to buy detergent. I need everything. I need cleaning products. So I'm probably gonna put that $20 in this household if I can't find it. Next is toiletries. I need $50 here, and this is just gonna be a $50 bill. So this is 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. $100 in toiletries. I don't think I'm gonna need the full $100 in toiletries, to be honest with you. So whatever I don't use in toiletries, I'm gonna add that to household because I really need to re-up. I need everything: toilet paper, I need paper towels, I need washing detergent, I need cleaning products, I need everything. It's time for me to do like a deep clean on my house. Okay, so we're gonna put these envelopes to the side. Next we have hair, which is $45. So that's gonna be 2 20s and a 5. And I don't have a hair envelope in my, that's one thing that I probably need to add. I do have a hair, let's see. So these are some of my OG envelopes that I have created for myself. I'm wondering if I have something that says, I have something that says pocket money, but that's not really pocket money. So I'm just checking to see what I have. I do want all of my envelopes to be, you know, in sync. But for right now, I'm just gonna go with what I have. I have this hair envelope. I'm gonna put the $45 in here. There we go. And then this is going to be in my wallet that I am using daily. So let's open this wallet here to put our envelopes in. Toiletries, household, and groceries. Here we go. All right, next is going to be savings. And remember what we said about savings. I'm just saving $25 per paycheck right now. And I'm just gonna let it add up. When I'm able to save more, I will. I probably will take it up to about $40 per paycheck. I just want to be guilty of saving something. So right now we're at 20, 40, 45, 50. So we have $50 saved right now. I am going to be doing a $1,000 saving challenge so I can start building my emergency fund back up. Other envelopes in here that need to be filled right now, I'm just kind of not doing it. And you know, like I said, I'm just starting over before I want to take it step by step, and that's really what we need to do. Let me see if I can figure out what this $20 is for. So I don't know what the $20 is for. I couldn't figure it out. I think that I didn't spend as much money as I thought I did. So I'm gonna add this $20 in the household envelope, and then we'll go from there. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 45, 50. So we got 150 in household. And trust me, y'all, I need every bit of it, okay? All right, you guys. So I have completed my cash stuffing for this paycheck. Please make sure that you come back so we can see how good we did. Let me know if you guys want to see kind of like a vlog of me going to go pick out my household items, toiletries, all that stuff. I'll be more than happy to try. I've never vlogged. I want to vlog, but that is it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.